Hello, JAFRA Beauties. Welcome to this product training presentation. Today, we're going to share more information with you about our BioLab product body lotion and body exfoliator. My name is Elizabeth Villegas, and I'm your JAFRA Beauty Pro. And joining me today, we have Monica Barrera, also your JAFRA Beauty Pro. Hi, Moni. How are you?
Hi, Elizabeth, and hi, everyone that is watching us today. So today, if your concern is bumps or roughness, we are going to give you some product training on this new JAFRA BioLab Body Care. So Elizabeth, let's get started.
Let's get started with this new JAFRA BioLab products where you can say bye-bye bumps and you can give your skin a healthier look and exceptionally smooth feel.
So for JAFRA BioLab, your body is as important as your face. So discover the new JAFRA BioLab Body Care crafted with AHAS. Experience the transformative power of products that help address your body care concerns from a scientific perspective. It's formulated to enhance your skin texture and appearance. JAFRA BioLab helps deliver remarkable results. JAFRA BioLab Body Care helps diminish dryness, reduce roughness, and minimize the appearance of strawberry-like skin. So Elizabeth is going to share with us a little bit more about strawberry skin.
So what does strawberry skin means? It's an umbrella description for the appearance of brown, black, or red spots on your skin that resemble strawberry seeds. They typically appear on legs and arms. The strawberry spots happen when your hair follicles or pores get clogged. Dirt, dead skin, oil, and bacteria can all clog pores.
But what else can cause strawberry skin? It's when shaving. The most common causes is shaving, which can irritate and clog hair follicles. What's another one, Elizabeth?
Other one, Moni, it's waxing. Other methods of hair removal, such as waxing, can also cause strawberry skin.
Also, dry skin. So people with dry skin are more prone to develop strawberry skin because the lack of moisture can exacerbate the pore congestion.
Also, Moni, keratin buildup. Keratin, a protein that forms the main component of skin, accumulate excessively in the follicles, causing bumps.
But also, some of us can have these strawberry skin because of genetics. Some people are genetically predisposed to develop strawberry skin. So we're going to share a little bit of how can we help these strawberry skin.
What can help strawberry skin? First, discontinue shaving or waxing. Avoiding hair removal methods that irritate the skin can help prevent strawberry skin.
But also, exfoliating regularly can help remove the dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. And that's why we're going to share with you about the JAFRA BioLab Body Care Exfoliator.
Also, want to use gentle skincare products. Avoid harsh soaps, detergents, and other products that can irritate the skin.
But also what we want to share with you is if you have the strawberry skin, it's always recommended to see a dermatologist because they're more experienced on these concerns. If the strawberry skin is persistent and it's accompanied by any symptoms such as pain, swelling, or discharge, it is important for you to see a dermatologist for proper diagnosis and treatment.
Now, Moni, we're going to share more information on JAFRA BioLab Body Exfoliator with 9.5 AHAs. It improves the appearance of bumps and strawberry skin with a combination of physical and chemical exfoliation. Also, it gently sweeps away impurities, buildup, and dead skin to reveal a smooth and more supple texture.
And also, Elizabeth, by doing a clinical test on day 14, A lot of our users saw an improvement skin textures without drying on their skin or disrupting the moisture barrier. So we're going to share with you guys how to use the body exfoliator. First, you're going to begin with damp skin. Dispense a small amount onto your hand and gently massage in circular motions, focusing on the areas of concern, and then you rinse thoroughly. But Elizabeth, share with us a little bit about the key ingredient.
Yes, Moni, and also I would like to share with our JAFRA beauties to use this product once every 3 days, which the instruction on how to use that right now you shared, Moni. And diving into our key ingredients, we have AHAs that are known as alpha hydroxy acid. Also, it contains lactic acid, HAA that exfoliates and moisturizes the skin, glycolic acid, AHA that helps reveal smoother, brighter, and more supple skin, and also perlite. It's a gentle physical exfoliator derived from volcanic rock that helps to reveal smoother skin with a mattifying effect.
Thank you so much, Elizabeth. So it is very important what you share with us. Our JAFRA BioLab exfoliator, it's not your daily use. You are going to use this how many times a week, Elizabeth?
It was once every 3 days, Moni.
Thank you so much. So we have it here, and you might experience it is a scented exfoliator, but that's because of the key ingredients that Elizabeth just shared with us. But you know, the scent, it's not that bad, and it's not something that is going to stay on your skin all day. So thank you so much, Elizabeth, for sharing the how to use and the key ingredients of this product. Now, share with us a little bit about the body lotion.
Of course, Moni, we love this new body lotion that is our JAFRA BioLab Body Lotion, also with 9.5 AHAs. It helps relieve rough, bumpy skin and dryness with effective surface hydration while gently exfoliating with a high concentration of alpha hydroxy acids. It smooths and softens skin, revealing a healthy, hydrated look.
Thank you so much. And also the clinical test on day 14, they saw an improvement in dryness, roughness, smoothness, softness, and uneven textures. Who doesn't like that, right, Elizabeth?
Right, we always like a healthy and hydrated look.
So now let's share with our Jafra beauties how are they going to use the body lotion. So you begin with clean, dry skin. You gently squeeze a small amount of the body lotion into your palm, and then you massage the lotion onto your body using circular motions, focusing on the areas that are prone to bumps or roughness. And what are the key ingredients?
The key ingredients, Moni, for this body lotion are AHAs, alpha hydroxy acid. Firstly, lactic acid. It's an AHA that helps reveal smoother, brighter, and more supple skin. Also, glycolic acid, that is an AHA that exfoliates and moisturizes the skin. And lastly, vegetal glycerin that helps skin attract and maintain the moisture. It is really important, Moni, to share with our Jafra beauties that this can be used daily or as needed.
Wow, thank you so much. So the body lotion, you can use it every day on the areas that you want to focus to help with, the strawberry skin or with the roughness. And also, Elizabeth, the lotion, just so our followers and our Jafra beauties know, it is also scented because it has that scent of the AHA. But you know what? After a few minutes that you apply it to your body, what we notice, Elizabeth and I, is that the scent goes away. So thank you so much, Elizabeth, for sharing with us the key ingredients, how to use, and thank you so much to our Afro beauties and followers for watching this tutorial or this training knowledge on the new JAFRA BioLab.
Thank you, Moni. We hope you learned so much today from these products.